Prepare yourself for a heart-stopping shock. Giant vehicles, unexpected accidents, and exceptional driving skills are waiting, pushing the limits of power and precision to the extreme. It's going to be intense, daring, and unforgettable. Buckle up, you won't want to miss a single moment. This scene had everyone holding their breath. The crane tipped over, dust flew everywhere, and people ran for their lives. Luckily, no one was injured, but it's a reminder of how fragile workplace safety is. A second's delay can change everything. It's truly impressive to witness the launch of such a gigantic ship. Don't you feel overwhelmed by its scale and the technique involved? The moment the ship slowly slides into the water, creating huge white waves, is truly magnificent. Everything is calculated with incredible precision. If you were there, how would you feel witnessing it firsthand? Please share your thoughts below. Guys, this is insane. The old truck reversed over a ditch, thinking everything was fine, but just as the rear wheels passed, the front wheel fell right off. This is definitely a lesson to remember. Always check your vehicle thoroughly before operating it. Oh no, the bulldozer hit a rock. Clearly the driver wasn't paying attention. Never block the train tracks, unless you want to watch an action movie right away. Guys, did you see that? The excavator lifted a massive rock, and the rear wheels almost lifted off the ground. The driver had to move it using just the front wheels, yet still placed the rock perfectly. This is not only dangerous, but thrilling. Such a skillful driver. Truly inspiring, showing that with the right skills, nothing is impossible. Oh no, the tanker crashed into the barrier. Everything happened so fast. The Komatsu PC-100 excavator is battling in the snow pit, hoping for some luck to come its way. Can't take my eyes off the power of this steel beast with its mighty pushing force, and the driver's skill is incredible. What do you think of this performance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Here it is. It's time. Always be careful when you're transporting goods on a snowy road. This is a typical example of a lack of preparation and control in the job. To avoid unfortunate accidents, it is crucial to hire experienced professionals. I hope the driver stays safe. The scene of the old truck crossing the fast-flowing river with a tow engine and a caravan is truly impressive. The power of the truck and the driver's skill make viewers admire them. Did you feel the suspense witnessing this moment? Hit like and share if you're impressed by this bravery. The scene of the giant cargo ship moving onto the shore for repairs is impressive, but when the ship collides with two smaller vessels, a sense of astonishment and surprise overwhelms. This highlights the lack of preparation and control over the situation, leaving viewers concerned about the consequences of the incident. The scene of the truck crossing the fast-flowing river truly inspires admiration for the driver's bravery and the power of the truck. However, is it really necessary to attempt crossing the river in this situation? Hello everyone, let me take you on an exciting adventure. The off-road driving skills competition is where the action happens, and the driver's skills truly make a strong impression, leaving viewers in awe. The power of the truck is like a mighty lion overcoming every challenge, just like a warrior conquering a high mountain. With its sturdy design and powerful performance, this vehicle will help you create unforgettable memories for a lifetime. Don't take your eyes off the screen to witness the scene of this truck, weighing dozens of tons, being lifted like this. Just a small mishap is enough to make you hold your breath.